Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you something about discipline. Yes, discipline. Friends, have you ever thought why you are advised time to time to be a disciplined student? How it is important for you and why you fail sometimes to do something in a disciplined way. Friends, some students unfortunately see it as a rule that is against their freedom. So when they are asked to be disciplined, they don't care about it. But it is seen later, most of them begin to understand its importance gradually. But friends, there are few, neither they are able to understand anything on their own, nor they are ready to listen to their elders. Friends, they are actually a big problem for themselves, for the family, and for the society. Friends, I want to tell you that discipline is not merely a simple word, but also the compulsory manners of doing something. Friends, we cannot imagine a good family, a civilized society, or an united and powerful nation without disciplined people. Friends, I want to tell you, when a student is asked to be disciplined, sometimes to him it seems the teachers and the managements are doing this all to serve their own purpose. By having made the students of their school, they want to make their school better and famous. If you think so, you are absolutely wrong. It cannot be denied that if the students of any school are civilized, good, and disciplined, the progress of the school is sure. But if you think you are asked to be disciplined only due to it, I think you are not serious for changing yourself and putting deliberately yourself to a position where soon you will destroy your career yourself. And how it is important for you? Friends, it is mostly seen that even a person who is indisciplined in his life likes only a disciplined one. Then how a disciplined person can like you if you are an indisciplined person? So at your school, if you think your teachers are teaching you only because they are employees of the school and they get a charming salary for their teaching work, so why should I respect them? And you do everything in an indisciplined way. You don't know how to talk with your teachers. You don't care about sanitation. You hardly reach your school in time. You will be recognized as an indisciplined student, and none will like you at your school. In the same way, after completing your education in your practical life, particularly in your professional life, nobody would trust upon you. So it is very important for you. And why do you fail sometimes to do something in a disciplined way? Friends, I want to tell you, to achieve a true success in your life, to apply a disciplined way is must. Because when you do something in a disciplined way, you can do it without an interfere in others' life. But if you apply a shortcut, an unfair way, definitely you are trying to snatch the others' opportunities. Friends, everybody wants to be successful in a short period of time. So during a test in your classroom or playing a game, sometimes you forget the advice of your elders and choose unfortunately an indisciplined way. Thank you friends. See you again with a new video.